love telling scary stories. Say no more. I'll do it.
No, I mean, Daniel's in the 6th grade now. He's maturing. His friends are inviting him to those sexy costume parties, and they're making out and everything. I just want to make sure he's ready.
Ready for a scary story?
No, ready for sex.
Oh, right.
But be delicate with it, okay?
Marion, you know how much he loves scary stories, like so much. Like, Marion.
I know, but sex is kind of scary, so in a way it is a scary story.
Yeah.
But not too scary.
Okay. Yeah.
Sex is a very strange thing to Daniel right now.
But Marion,
I have to go catch my flight. Don't go overboard with this. I trust you, honey.
Danny.
Hey, Dad.
Come in. Sit down. Turn off the lights. Danny, when a man and a woman love each other very much, they take a trip alone to an abandoned hospital at midnight, through the fog where they can hear the anguished cries of the orphans who died here of tuberculosis 100 years ago. It's completely natural, everyone goes through it during adolescence, but it's important to remember when you go to this abandoned hospital. Danny, do you know what a vagina is?
I don't know, sort of.
A vagina monster is like a vagina monster is like a vagina, but 5 times more evil. It's the most terrifying thing in the entire world. It has no eyes and no nose, just one enormous gaping mouth, and it roams around the abandoned hospital by night, searching for more orphans to consume. And every month, it loses the lining of its uterine wall. Oh no, son, it gets worse. The man and the woman, who, by the way, have thought this through, and they really love each other very much, they reach the center of the abandoned hospital. And suddenly everything goes dark. And then, the sex comes oozing out of the walls, still caked with the blood of the dead consumptive orphans, and it congeals, and the boy's penis grows into a huge, great beast that he can't control, and it devours his brain from within until he can't remember how to think. And then the vagina monster congeals out of the sex and begins chasing the boy, and he runs down the hallway, runs away from the vagina monster, the hatchet-wielding vagina monster, until finally he reaches the edge of the hospital and escapes and runs back home to the safety and security of his family and friends.
Whew, that was a close one, Dad.
But it turns out they've all been murdered by the evil Duke von Condom!